demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like
You may have noticed from all the posts that I've just shown, there is a common theme, and that common theme is lifestyle. Instagram has now become a tool that beats any sort of dating profile, any sort of CV, and any sort of introduction to making friends and having business opportunities. Instagram is a social platform that allows you to show the world whatever it is that you value. If you're looking for a job, I don't believe it's unrealistic to assume that companies will be looking at your Instagram. If you're looking for a girlfriend or an attractive partner, I don't believe it's unrealistic to assume that they'll look at your Instagram. If you're looking for a business opportunity or a sponsorship, or if you're an athlete trying to push a brand, or if you're a fashion designer trying to push a brand, or if you're an editor trying to get hired, I don't believe it's unrealistic to assume that they will not look at your Instagram. Instagram has now become an all-in-one CV for the person that you choose to show the world. It's important that you not only make it clear who you are on the social platform, but what it is that you get up to, what it is that you value, and then who it is that you surround yourself with. For example, if you're an athlete, you're going to post videos of you at the gym, videos of you training with your friends, videos of you posing or hitting personal records to music. If you're a photographer, you're going to have long panning shots of landscapes or of interior designs, and you're going to push your brand. Not having an Instagram really is a disadvantage in the world that we live in, and the world that we will be living in the next 5 years. Instagram is an easy way to show off your lifestyle, to push a brand, to make connections, to meet attractive partners. And I highly recommend you take yourself serious on the platform rather than just using it purely to consume memes. You potentially start producing content. Use it wisely. Become a creator. Let go of consuming. The only consuming you want to be doing is for inspiration. But mindlessly scrolling Instagram, consuming the content of other people, and supporting their image and neglecting your own, it's not a place that you want to be in.